Hi, I'm Jim Gordon and you're watching Market 1 Minute. Joining us today is Niko Cacos, President and CEO of Blue Sky Uranium Corp. Niko, welcome.
Thank you for having me on your program.
Great to have you here. Okay, Niko, can you give us a brief summary of the timeline of Blue Sky's Amarillo Grande Project and the in-house discovery of the Ivana deposit?
Blue Sky is advancing a brand new uranium vanadium district in Argentina known as the Amarillo Grande Uranium Vanadium Project. Now, it's located in the province of Rio Negro, which is in southern Argentina in the Patagonia region. Now, this was, as you stated, an in-house discovery of a new district. What's exciting about it is that it has the potential to rank amongst the world's largest uranium discoveries with the lowest operating costs. This district is huge. It's over 145 kilometers long and 50 kilometers wide. And it was discovered 15 years ago by Blue Sky's geologists, and it has the potential to make multiple deposits. And these types of districts are seen elsewhere in the world, most particularly in Kazakhstan. Now, Kazakhstan, keep in mind, supplies 60% of the world's uranium. So this discovery is quite a feat in itself. The Amarillo Grande project is an excellent candidate to be the first low-cost, near-term producer in Argentina and to have additional vanadium credits.
And what is Blue Sky looking to accomplish with the drill program that is currently underway?
Well, looking at what we've accomplished so far, a couple of years ago, we completed a compliant preliminary economic assessment, or a PEA, on our cornerstone Ivana deposit. In that report, we reported our inferred mineral resource estimate of just under 23 million pounds of uranium and 11.5 million pounds of vanadium. Now, these preliminary numbers demonstrated that if the project was in production today, it would rank amongst the lowest operating costs in the planet. That is a major positive feature for this project so far. Then, ongoing detailed review and reinterpreting all the geological data that we've been working on over the last 15 years that we've collected on a project, we identified at least 4 areas as compelling targets with very high potential for making new uranium vanadium discoveries very similar to the current Ivana deposit. Our current program aims to discover more uranium so we can grow our resources and demonstrate that the growth potential of this district can rank amongst the biggest in the world.
And the company just completed a round of financing, a lot of interest around that. Can you tell us more?
Yes, we announced a non-broker private placement in the final days of 2020. And due to high investor demand, we ended up increasing the amount of private placement that we raised from $3.5 million to nearly $5.5 million. We saw a lot of interest from institutional and private equity investors, which is indicating that smart money is now positioning in the uranium industry. The takeaway for us is that Blue Sky now is fully funded to execute and complete our current drill programs and to begin our engineering studies so that we can take our project to the next level.
Niko, tell us more about the Blue Sky Uranium team.
Well, you can't attain the success without having a quality team behind you. Myself, as president and CEO, I'm one of the founders of the company, and I have over 28 years of management expertise in the mineral exploration industry. Also joining me on the board is Joe Grosso, the chairman, founder, and president of Grosso Group, and he was recently inducted into the Argentina Mining Hall of Fame. Dr. David Terry, a PhD professional economic geologist and senior executive, has been with Blue Sky since inception, and he's been providing us with outstanding technical guidance throughout all these years. And last but not least, Guillermo Pensado, Blue Sky's Vice President of Exploration and Development, has recently received the Explorer of the Year award. So this rounds up a very exceptional team, I think, that sets us apart from other companies operating in Argentina.
Give us some insight into the management group that the company is a part of and their track record of discoveries.
Blue Sky Uranium is a member of the Grosso Group, a management group that has pioneered the mining exploration industry in Argentina. And the group itself is credited with making 4 exceptional deposit discoveries. In Argentina, as well as in other countries in South America, Grosso Group is a recognized name and is known for one of the most successful exploration teams. As well, the group is known for its respect for the locals and integrity and honesty in its business dealings. It's a model that I very proudly adopt. Grosso Group I can say provides Blue Sky with a very definitive competitive advantage in working in Argentina.
Last question, what are the next steps for Blue Sky Uranium?
We have demonstrated through the PEA that the project has potential very low cost nature. Our next steps is to demonstrate the scalability of this project. The drill program that's currently underway on the Amarillo Grande district is basically testing the scalability, like how big can this project get? 100 million, 200 million pounds of uranium. This is what we're testing. And this is what we're executing now. So this program that's underway is going to go on until the end of April. Immediately after completing our drilling campaign, we're going to launch our engineering studies, the pre-feasibility study, in the second quarter of this year. What this will do is will allow us to move the project closer towards making a production decision.
Niko, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Jim Gordon. Thanks for watching this Market 1 Minute on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with other videos that we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click on this list to see other great videos from Market 1. And thank you again for watching.